Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Daily. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone.
Today, we are learning how to talk about our families.
You'll learn useful words, questions, and simple answers.
We'll also give you time to talk about your own family.
So listen carefully and speak with us.
Let's begin with some basic family words.
Your mother and father are your parents.
A male child is a son. A female child is a daughter.
A boy in your family can be your brother.
And a girl can be your sister.
Your mother's or father's parents are your grandparents.
They are your grandmother and grandfather.
And your parents' brothers and sisters are your uncles and aunts.
Their children are your cousins.
That's a lot of family words.
Don't worry. You don't need to remember everything at once.
Sarah, do you have a big family?
Not very big. There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
My parents, my 2 brothers, and me.
So, you have 2 brothers.
Yes, I do. What about you?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My mother, my father, my sister, and me.
Do you have any brothers?
No, I don't. I only have one sister.
To describe the size of your family, you can say, there are 4 people in my family.
Or you can simply say, I have a small family.
Now answer this question. How many people are there in your family?
You could say, there are 5 or 2 people in my family.
A common question is, do you have any brothers or sisters?
You can answer by, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
You can add more information. For example, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
Sarah, are your brothers older or younger than you?
One is older than me. The other is younger than me.
So you are the middle child.
Exactly. What about your sister?
She is younger than me.
How old is she?
She's 22 years old.
We use older than for someone with more years.
And we use younger than for someone with fewer years.
Now answer, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Then say whether they are older or younger than you.
Now let's describe one person in the family.
You can talk about their name, age, job, and personality.
Mike, tell me about your sister.
Her name is Emma. She's 22 years old.
What does she do?
She's a university student. She studies medicine.
What is she like?
She's friendly, hardworking, and a little quiet.
Do you look alike?
A little. We both have brown hair and brown eyes.
But do you have the same personality?
Not really. She's much calmer than me.
That's interesting.
Sarah, tell me about one of your brothers.
My older brother's name is Daniel. He's 30 years old.
What does he do?
He works as a nurse. He works at a hospital.
What is he like?
He's kind, patient, and very funny.
Does he live near you?
Yes, he does. He lives about 15 minutes away.
Another useful question is, who do you live with?
You can say, I live with my parents.
Or you can say, I live with my wife and children.
Some people live alone. They can say, I live by myself.
Sarah, who do you live with?
I live with my husband. What about you?
I live by myself, but my parents live nearby.
Do you visit them often?
Yes, I usually visit them at the weekend.
Now answer, who do you live with?
Say, I live with, and add a person. Or, I live by myself.
Families often enjoy doing activities together.
My family likes having dinner together.
What do you usually eat?
We often have chicken, rice, or pasta.
Who does the cooking?
My mother usually cooks, but sometimes I help her.
That's nice.
What does your family enjoy doing together?
We enjoy going for walks and watching movies.
Do you agree on which movie to watch?
Not always, because choosing a movie can take a long time.
That happens in my family too.
You can say, we enjoy spending time together. Or, we usually have dinner together on Sundays. Now, think about your family. What do you enjoy doing together?
Begin with, my family and I enjoy, and complete with an activity.
Now, let's put everything together. Mike, please tell us about your family.
There are 4 people in my family: my parents, my younger sister, and me. My sister's name is Emma. She's 22 years old. She studies medicine at university. She's calm, friendly, and hardworking. I live by myself, but my family lives nearby. I visit them almost every weekend. We enjoy having dinner, talking, and watching movies together. I'm very close to my family.
That was clear and natural. Now I'll talk about my family. There are 5 people in my family: my parents, my 2 brothers, and me. One brother is older than me. The other is younger than me. My older brother is a nurse. He's kind, patient, and funny. My family enjoys going for walks and having lunch together. We usually meet on Sundays. I love spending time with them. They are very important to me.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud.
How many people are there in your family?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Are they older or younger than you?
Who do you live with?
Choose one family member. What is their name?
How old are they?
What do they do?
What are they like?
What does your family enjoy doing together?
Now put your answers together.
You can begin like this. There are 4 or 2 people in my family.
Then talk about 1 or 2 family members.
Finish by describing something you enjoy doing together.
Pause the video and practice your answer.
Today you learned how to talk about your family in English.
You learned family words and useful questions.
You also learned how to describe a family member.
Now tell us about your family in the comments.
How many people are there in your family?
And what do you enjoy doing together?
Don't worry about small mistakes.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.